they are! Woo! The egg is frozen. Warm it up. Let's keep it warm. Now let's wait for 6 days. I wonder what's inside. There's a baby penguin. Help him hatch. Can you wake him up? He's adorable. Let's clean him. Great! Now rinse it. Let's add some color. Apply the shampoo. Rinse it, please. Let's dry the feathers. Brush it. Woo! Awesome! Now apply some face cream. Rub it in gently. Wow, he looks adorable! Brush here, please. Can you trim it? How cool! Let's style the hair. Pick the sunglasses, please. Cool! Look how cute they are! Woo! Let's see what's under these leaves. Ew! This egg is dirty. Can you clean it? Let's listen to what's inside. I hear a heartbeat. Help him hatch. Can you wake him up? He's adorable. Let's clean him. Apply the shampoo. Great! Now rinse it. Let's dry the feathers. Woo! Funny little bird. Brush here, please. Let's add some color. Apply the shampoo. Great! Now rinse it. Wow! Nice color! Let's make his hair curly. Choose a hair. Brush it. Ooh! Choose the color you like and spray it. Choose the color. Look how cute they are. Woo! It's time to hatch the egg. Turn it on. Now let's wait for 6 days. I wonder what's inside. There's a baby parrot. Let's clean her. Apply the shampoo. Great! Now rinse it. Let's dry the feathers. Much better. Let's do some makeup. Ooh! Add more colors. Very nice. Make it shiny. For a full slash effect. Some final touches for a perfect look. Beautiful! Choose some accessories for her. Glasses. Beautiful. Look how cute they are. Woo! Baby turtle needs a new look.